So for the marinade, I add some soy sauce, oyster sauce, calamansi, and then garlic, and then ketchup. Yun lang yung nilagay ko, and then some pepper, then it's good to go. Ito yung ginamit ko to marinate our wings or our chicken. Kayo na yung bahala kung ilang oras or ilang araw siya i-marinate. Pero for me, halos isa't kalahati ko din siguro minarinate. It's supposed to be covered with flour, tapos tsaka palang piprito, but nagkaroon ng miscommunication and naprito na agad ni mama. But yeah, that's okay naman. Ayan, yung margarine lang yung ginamit ko. But mas better kapag butter and then some sesame seed na ito-toast ko lang ng kaunti. And then, naglagay na rin ako ng toyo. And then, syempre, ng oyster sauce. Okay, damihan niyo po yung oyster sauce kasi yun talaga dapat yung lalasa. And then, of course, the water. Halo-halo lang. Then, naglagay ako dyan ng honey and then ng sugar. Kasi nga, hindi sobrang tamis ng honey na meron kami. Kayo na bahala. You can just choose. If wala kayong honey, then sugar. If wala kayong sugar, then honey. Since gusto ng family ko na madami yung sauce, guys, kaya dinamihan ko din talaga yung sauce niya. And naglagay lang din ako ng kaunting pepper and then ng kaunting salt kasi nga dinamihan ko. And then para maging color brown yung color niya, nag-add ako ng cornstarch and then ng water para lang para lang lumapot siya, okay? Then na-add na natin since nagko-complement kasi yung lasa ng marinade natin and then yung lasa ng sauce niya, it's not too overwhelming pero balance lang siya. So, try nyo na yung recipe na to and then this is applicable sa lahat ng chicken na part, okay? It's just that wings lang talaga kasi yung ginamit namin kasi it's supposed to be chicken wings na recipe but ginawa ko na lang siyang chicken teriyaki wings na recipe.